IIT Kharagpur has come up with a magic box that can be a game changer in bringing high end molecular diagnostic tests from the lab to the field and cater the needs of the underserved. This ultra low cost, portable, extremely user friendly machine can be handled by unskilled operators outside the laboratory environment and is all set up to act as an alternative to high end RT-PCR machines. Premised on the functionalities of this machine, our team of researchers from IIT Kharagpur has developed a new testing method known as COVIRAP for rapid diagnostics of COVID-19 infection. All what you need for doing the test is a small table which may be housed anywhere. You do not require a air conditioned lab and it can be put up even in a green field. Each test requires a kit which includes 3 master mixes which are made by our research team, and these are essentially markers of different genes to confirm the presence of the virus. The RNA sample extracted from the swab of the patient is first mixed with the master mixes kept in the small tubes. After the mixing is done, these tubes are put up inside the slots of this machine. This machine is pre-programmed for preset temperatures over which it will run for a period of time. Once this brief initial heating period is over, the reaction mixes are further mixed with a special solution and reloaded in the machine for another small heating step. This is an exclusive step which is patented by our research team to ensure the accuracy of the results and obvious simplicity in the testing procedure. After this step is over, simple dipstick like paper strips, very much similar to the pregnancy test strips, are then dipped into these reaction products and colored lines are gradually being developed within these strips. These colored lines are very critical because their existence confirms the presence and non-existence may confirm the absence of the virus. To do it very precisely, we have developed a customized mobile app that now takes over by grabbing the images of the test strips, where you can see that the test strips are inserted by a cartridge in the machine just in the same way as a credit card is inserted in a credit card reader. After the smartphone app grabs the image is analyzed within the smartphone and there is a inbuilt decision making system with the app that gives the final result of the test, COVID positive or COVID negative, in just a click. all these procedures starting from loading the sample to getting the result in the smartphone takes place within 1 hour. Tests on several patient samples can be done in parallel in one machine, and this makes this method quite scalable and versatile. After we developed this machine and the method, these were rigorously validated by the Indian Council for Medical Research or ICMR at the ICMR NICET using patient samples, a large number of patient samples as per their strict guidelines. Their test results have confirmed that the outcome from this machine and the method developed by our team is of supreme standards and comparable to the quality of the high end RT-PCR tests to a large extent. Yesterday it was tuberculosis, today it is COVID-19, and tomorrow it will be something else. However, this generic machine unit is capable of performing molecular diagnostics for many tests of these kinds, which can be classified under the ambit of isothermal nucleic acid test or INAT. The diseases which could be detected are large in number, including influenza, malaria, dengue, tuberculosis and many others. By developing this machine, it is possible to empower common people to safeguard themselves from any unknown pandemic that may affect the human civilization over and again and potentially endanger our lives.